2019 Ram 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, power driver seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.